Let me show you how to add Google Calendar to your desktop on Windows 11. This is really useful if you check your calendar often, since it gives you quick access right from your desktop. We'll be using Google Chrome for this, as it makes the process simple, but you can do something similar in other browsers too. First, open Chrome and go to Google Calendar. You can either search for it directly or click the Google Apps icon in the top right and select Calendar. Once you're on the Calendar page, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the three dots menu. From there, go to Cast, Save and Share, and then click Install Pages app. When prompted, click Install. This will create a desktop app for Google Calendar. It may open automatically. If it does, you can close it for now. You should now see the shortcut on your desktop. To make access even easier, open the app, then right-click its icon on the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. That way, your calendar is always just one click away